All right, folks, it's happening. Google is gearing up to officially unveil the Pixel 10 series later this month. But let's be honest, at this point, what's left to reveal? The leaks have been relentless. Meanwhile, Google has been dropping teaser ads, taking playful jabs at Apple, and keeping the leakers on their toes. So let's break down everything we know so far. And yes, there's a lot. On August 4th, Google released a teaser on their official YouTube channel, and they certainly didn't hold back. The ad humorously pokes at Apple's struggles to roll out their AI-powered Siri update. Remember how Apple hyped up Apple Intelligence at WWDC 2020-24? Well, turns out most of those features have been delayed, some all the way to 2026. To top it off, Google set the teaser to an instrumental of The Next Episode by Dr. Dre, a cheeky flex considering Apple owns Beats by Dre. They also subtly boasted that Gemini AI already delivers many of the features Apple is still working on. Meanwhile, the leaks keep flowing. Renowned leaker Steve Hemmerstoffer partnered with Android Headlines to give us a nearly full 360-degree look at the Pixel 10. We're talking every angle except the top and bottom, but hey, we'll take it. The renders showcase a sleek frost finish resembling a silvery white alongside the Pro model in classic obsidian black. In terms of design, not much has changed from the Pixel 9 Pro. Same button placements, same iconic camera bar with the camera setup, flash, and yes, that temperature sensor no one asked for but Google insists on keeping. Color options for the Pro models will include obsidian, jade, moonstone, and porcelain. The base Pixel 10 lineup, however, brings more playful tones: lemoncello, indigo, frost, and of course, obsidian. As always, Google keeps the Pro models refined and the base models more vibrant and fun. Mark your calendars for August 20th, not only for the Pixel 10 series launch, but also for the debut of the Pixel Watch 4, Pixel Buds 2a, and brand new Pixel Snap accessories. Google is clearly coming in strong this month. So, what's your take? Are you excited for the Pixel 10, or does it feel like more of the same? Share your thoughts in the comments. Let's get the conversation going. If you enjoyed this update, hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you in the next one. Have a great day, and keep smiling.